Oh, year 10s, it's time to pick your subjects, and there are so many science subjects to pick from. So should I pick bio, chem, physics, psych, or PE? As always, before we get started, head to freeforvce.com, head to ATAR calculator, and then come down here to get subject guidance, and it'll help you pick your subjects if you're unsure right now. Now, at first glance, all these science subjects seem like widely different subjects, but they actually share a lot of similarities, and it's actually very easy to pick which one depending on what you feel like you're good at. So for bio and PE, these two are very language-based subjects, and there is a lot of writing, there is a lot of justification. You need to almost have skills that you would kind of expect in like a humanities subject. Psychology also fits in that category. Now, physics is a very math-based subject, so there's a lot of calculations, there's a lot of formulas, so it's closer to, say, math methods or spec maths than it is to, let's say, biology or a humanities subject. Chemistry, I would say, is in the middle of the two. So there is a lot of calculations, but there's also a lot of written work, and it's kind of like the middle ground between biology and physics. Now, content-wise, though, there's a lot of differences between these subjects. So the subject with the most content is definitely chemistry. It is filled with content, a bunch of things to memorize, and a bunch of formulas and calculations you need to do. Then it would probably be either physics or bio. Both of these have a lot of content, and bio especially has a lot of different processes that you're going to have to remember. Then psychology and PE have significantly less content. There's still a lot of content, and it actually shares a lot of content with bio as well. But in general, for PE especially, even though it's not just go out and play sport, it does have significantly less and less complicated content than, say, biology. Now, some students like to pick all of the sciences, and if you are really science oriented, then you can have a shot at this, but these science subjects have a lot of core content in them, and they don't share a lot of content between each other. So, for example, chemistry and bio, it is a huge time investment compared to if you did something, let's say, accounting or general maths. So definitely consider your workload